Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Anita, and I'm coming at you today with a new pen. Such an unassuming box. Let's get started. I have to say, I've wanted this pen for a long time. I have learned that I like classic looking pens, even though I like resin and all the pretty colors, you know, like this, or like this Leonardo, cracked ice. I like that too, but not as much as I like the swirly resins. As much as I like those things, I like classic looking pens, just kind of like retro looking pens. And when I saw this pen, I wanted it, but I don't know, it wasn't a priority. And thanks to you guys, you helped make this pen possible by using my link at Atlas Stationers. Brain fart, sorry, haha. And so I was finally able to pick this up with your help. And so I want to share it with you. And it's a Waterman Carene. I love the way the pen looks. This and my Pilot E95S make my classic heart happy. It's so pretty. I love how it looks. I was back and forth on which model to pick up, and I finally decided on this dark brown amber looking color, and there's a depth to it which is very pretty, and the gold accents is very nice. This pen has an 18 karat nib, and I'll correct that if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it was an 18 karat nib. And I'm just really psyched about it. Now let's see what we're working with here. We've got a converter, because I wanted the pen, but honestly, I didn't do any research on it. I just liked the way it looked. The converter just presses in, and there's rubber around it, which is pretty cool. I don't have any pens that have a converter quite like that. Helps seal it nicely. Got a couple of O-rings there, again for the seal. That's cool. And I'm just psyched. I just love the nib. I love the way this looks. Totally my jam. And a snap cap. I like that too. All right, let's compare this to some of the other pens in my collection, because I don't have anything quite like this. All right, we've got the Waterman Carene here. Did I say the name? It's Waterman Carene. I'm so precious. Okay, I've got a variety. Got a platinum plaisir, a Jinhao Centennial 100, a Laban 325, oh, bear with me as I slide the pens out, a Leonardo Memento Zero, just two more, a Pilot Custom 743, and a TWSBI Eco. So here they all are. Make sure I'm staying in the frame. Let me see if I can get in a little bit closer. That's good. So here they all are capped, and then I will show them to you uncapped. Well, this was different. I typically line up the end of the base, rewind. I typically line up the end of the grip sections so I can see them all starting at the same point. But the Waterman Carene's a little bit different. So I line this up the end of the nib, or the top of the nib, I guess if you want to look at it that way, with the top of the grip of the pen right next to it, so I could have an idea. And it's definitely a pen that can be used unposted. I'll check and see if I can post it at the end of it. But I guess you can kind of see what a shorty the Platinum Plaisir is compared pretty much to the other pens. It's just a little different in the construction. Like the grip section is extended, but the nib is short, which is, that's kind of interesting. I just pulled it out because it's nearby. I don't use it that much, but it's interesting to see how it lines up. Usually the TWSBI Eco is on the longer side because of the piston, but the nib is about a number 5, and the grip section isn't especially long, but it doesn't line up too badly with the other pens. All the others, most of the others have bigger nibs. So yeah, this is how they line up. I don't anticipate any issues using this unposted, but I'm going to see how it lines up, or see how it looks posted, if it can be posted, but I probably won't, to be honest, because I fear for unnecessary wear and tear on the body of the pen. Let's check that out. Okay, now let's see if it can be posted. Seems like it should be. Oh, that posts lovely. It's very deep and very secure, and it looks lovely. Maybe I will post it sometimes. Oh, yeah, maybe I will. I thought I did something to it already. I was about to be upset, but it's okay. I got big fingers and they're not going in the cap of a pen. Yes, this pen can definitely be posted, and the weight is very nice. Oh boy, I cannot wait to write with this. Let's just take this out for a little dip test. All right, now this pen has been tested. There was some residual ink around the nib, and I just gave it a quick rinse, and we're going to test her out and see how we do. And if all is well, I will give her a proper bath. So let's see, I am going to just do a quick dip in Waterman Inspired Blue because I love it. It's such a good ink to test with, in my very, very humble opinion. I just like the shade of blue, and it's a good standard ink. All right, let's see. And we'll post her. So pretty. This, oh Lord, am I making a mess? A little bit. Okay, am I in the frame? Yes. This pen has a medium nib, by the way, because that's how I roll. I think there's something mixed in my Waterman. This feels really good though. The nib is nice and smooth, and I am going to definitely enjoy writing with this pen. And I just love the look of it, let's be honest. We eat with our eyes, and oh my goodness, my eyes love the way the pen looks. So that is it for today. I have a lot of preparation to do. I am going to do 30 inks in 30 days. Fingers crossed that it goes to plan as I work on the plan. I will see y'all in the next video. Take care.